it's Miss Michelle. I have a project. All you need is an egg crate and a piece of paper. This is really good for your fingers, so get your fingers ready. Ready? We're gonna lift the paper and grip the paper. Crunch, crunch, fold, 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 crunch, crunch, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Put it in the egg crate. Do it again. Rip. Crumple, crumple, crumple. Use your fingers. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Get it little. Put it in the egg crate. Do again. Rip. Crumple, 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 crumple. Put it in the egg crate. Do as many as you want. And then if you want, you can take them out of the egg crate and put them into another container. Use your pinchers. Take them out. Put into a container. Take them out, put into a container. Keep doing as long as you want. It's super fun. But when you're done, remember, throw all your recycling away into the recycle bin. Throw it in the trash. Throw it in the trash. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a nice day. Bye.